Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a higher order ordinary differential equation. So let's take an example of that. So I'm just going to write y to the fourth derivative plus 2y to the third derivative plus y to the second derivative all equals 1. Okay, so the first thing you want to look for is trying to solve the homogeneous solution. So what we're going to do is set this actually equal to 0 for the homogeneous solution. And after that, we're going to use the characteristic equation to try to find your homogeneous solution. So that's going to be r to the fourth plus 2r cubed plus r squared equals 0. And from there, we could factor out in r squared. So we get r squared plus 2r plus 1 equals 0. And now that we have that, we could solve for r. Let's factor out this quadratic again. So we get r squared times r plus 1 squared. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's correct. So this leaves us with roots of, looks like the repeated roots of r equals 0, and let's see, r equals -1. Okay, and these are both 2 times repeated. So make sure to pause the video, write this down, whatever you need. And actually, we can just scroll down. No big deal. I'll just erase it. So let's just take all this away. And what we're going to do now is plug these back into the characters. So we're going to have yc equals c1 e to the 0 plus c2 t e to the 0 plus c3 e to the -t plus t c4 e to the -t. And we want to multiply by these t terms here because once again these are repeated roots. So now that we have the characteristic equation, we can take our guesses as to what will solve the rest of this equation. So what we're going to do now is add a plus, I'll go in a different color, plus big Y. And if we go back to the original differential equation, we see that it's all equal to 1. So our guess for that is going to be y equals just some constant. So we want to check to see if there's any overlap in the homogeneous solution. It'll also give us a bad guess, basically. It looks like there's overlap. It's kind of hard to see, but here I'll color in red. C1 e to the 0 is actually just C1 because e to the 0 is just 1. So there's actually some overlap here. And whenever you have an overlap, what you're going to want to do is multiply by t. But then I can see already when we multiply by t, we're going to have another overlap. So what we're actually going to do is multiply by t squared. Basically, just keep multiplying by t until, that's a bet too. Just keep multiplying by t until you get no overlap in your solutions. Okay, so now this is our guess for, maybe I'll go back and write this in blue. This is our guess in the additional function onto the solution. So what we want to do now is actually plug this all back into, or plug this new guess back into the original differential equation. So I'll let you guys write this down real fast, and then I'm gonna delete it. I'm just gonna save this. So again, we have big Y equals AT squared. And in the original differential equation, I'll let you guys go back to it. It's gonna be actually I'll just write it down. Y fourth derivative plus 2y third derivative plus y second derivative equals 1. If you guys have any questions about how I got this solution, make sure to leave a comment below and I can help clear up anything that you might need to know. And also make sure to smash that like button so we can reach... Alright guys, how about this? If we get 100k likes on this video, I'll do another giveaway. Alright, thanks for watching.